Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. I'm very excited to do this video today because I have for you an unsaturated and untapped niche that has so much potential to earn you good money. What niche this is, how you can create books in this niche, I will show you in this video. So have fun and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. So the niche I want to show you today is a very great niche for independent publishers like us to create good books and make good amount of monies. The niche is the Sudoku niche, especially niche down Sudoku for kids. So we are at Amazon.com and as you can see, I selected the category books and typed in Sudoku for kids. And as you can see, there are many of sub niches where you can publish your book in. For example, Sudoku for kids, ages 6 by 10. Or you can go into a niche Sudoku for kids and create a special design of Sudokus. For example, 9 by 9 Sudokus. Or here you can say Sudoku for kids, 4x4, 6x6. So you can target so much different sub niches and different styles of interiors, and you will never run out of ideas. So for example, you can create a book for kids 10 to 12 with 4x4 Sudokus, 6x6, 9x9. You can do a combination of all of them. You can make easy Sudokus, hard Sudokus, and you are only targeting one niche. You can do the same thing for kids 6 to 10, 8 to 12, for boys, girls, whatsoever. So a very, very huge amount of sub niches where you can publish your book in. And we are looking at an example niche, for example, Sudoku for kids 8 to 12. So now we are looking at the niche Sudoku for kids ages 8 to 12. And as you can see, the books in this niche are selling pretty well. We have a BSR of this book 23,000, 67,000, 100,000, 188,000 and so on. And you can see that the covers are not really good. You can easily compete with them. The titles are not optimized for the keywords. And there are a few publishers who published a month or 2 months ago books in and do pretty well. So a very great niche with much potential. And now I will show you how you can create easily interiors for Sudoku books for kids. We are now at the website onesudoku.com, and here you can select different types of Sudokus. You are clicking on print, and as you can see, the first thing you can select is the type of Sudoku. So for example, you can select 9x9, 4x4, 6x6 Sudokus. Every type has its own level of difficulty. So for example, you can create easy puzzles 9x9, medium, hard, expert, evil. You can do a combination of 2 easy and 2 medium and so on. You can select how many puzzles on one page. So for example, 4 puzzles or 6 puzzles. And we are going for this example, a Sudoku 9x9, 4 puzzles per page, level easy. The format of printing is PDF because we want to upload the PDF format into Canva to create a good looking interior. Then you can select the options with QR code. Here we are clicking no, and with solutions, yes. Then we are clicking on print, and the website generates us a good looking PDF with 9x9 Sudokus, as you can see, and the solutions. So now we are downloading this PDF and uploading it directly into Canva to format the interior a little bit of this style of Sudokus. So now we are at Canva, at my Canva account. As you can see, the PDF version of the Sudokus are downloaded, and I do a drag and drop and upload it on Canva. So the next thing you have to do is to create a new design, because the size of the format from the PDF version is not the size of the book we want to create. We want to create an 8.5 times 11 book with bleed. So we are selecting the dimensions of the book with bleed 8.625 times 1125 and creating a new design. So the design is now ready. Our template is ready. And what we are going to do, we open the Sudokus, the 9x9 Sudokus, and copy and paste it into our new design. So the first thing we have to do, we have to select our 9x9 Sudokus, copy it, and paste it into our new format 8.5 times 11 Sudoku book with bleed. Then we are making a new site and copy the solutions into our new design. So now we have our Sudoku interiors from the website onesudoku.com, download it, upload it into Canva, and copy and paste the interiors into our new created design of our book with the dimensions 8.625 times 1125. Now we get rid of the texts. The only thing we are doing is to delete the text formats, and now we have a blank page with our Sudokus, 9x9 and 4 Sudokus per page. So now what you can do, you can rearrange the things, you can move it onto the page or make a little headline. For example, we are adding a little text. Sudoku puzzle number 1. And we do it real quick into the middle of the puzzle. So you can make it a little bit bigger. And now we have one Sudoku puzzle ready. The same thing you can do with the solutions. Get rid of the text, delete it real quick. And now you're ready to go. You can easily copy the Sudoku text, drag and drop it into the middle and make, for example, solution puzzle number 2. Now you have all the tools how you can easily create interiors with Sudoku puzzles. The only thing you have to do now is to make your interior look a little bit more professional. So for example, you can add page number, a little text above, what kind of level this is. So for example, level easy, you can write it here on the top. And then you do this whole thing over and over again. You go to onesudoku.com, to the website, and print, for example, 10, 20, 30 pages of 9x9 Sudokus. Download all the PDFs, upload it on Canva, and make a very great book with Sudokus. Now the last thing you have to do is to create a good cover, but as you can see, the competition is not very good. You can easily recreate this type of covers in Canva. The only thing you have to choose is a big, good looking font for kids. So example like this one with color in it. Then you have to put the age range on the cover, how many puzzles you have with solutions, and what types of puzzles you are using in this book. For example, 4x4, 6x6. You can easily create this cover. You can compete easily with the competitors on Amazon.com. And as you can see, this niche has so much potential to make a good amount of money. You have BSRs 10,000, 20,000, 20,000. So these books are making so much money. And don't sleep on this opportunity. Now you have all the tools to easily create a Sudoku book. You can create easily a cover that is looking good enough to compete with these guys, and don't sleep on it. Create a Sudoku book and hopefully making a good amount of money. So thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Leave a thumbs up on this video if it helped you. I wish you all the best, and we will see you in the next video.